Hello. Come on in, you guys. I'm just trying to make sure that I hit the button just a little too fast. Um, and that's okay. Things happen. Hey guys, how you doing? I just wanted to come on for a sec. Um, hmm. I guess I'm good. Let's see. Okay. I'm just pushing little buttons and I'm probably making a little bit of a mess, and I apologize for that. Um, so just give me a second. I want to set up my Instagram people, so that I'm trying to set up my Instagram people, but I'm not doing so. Hey, come on in, come on in, come on in. Hello, Soror. How are you? That is a new name for me. Um, okay. Let's see if I could get this right this time. Hmm. Okay, here we go. Oh, I keep doing something that I shouldn't do. So that means I probably need to just talk to my Periscope people and come on out of here. Ah, I think I got it. I got it. Hey, it's Jackie, Season Curves. I just wanted to come on for a moment and say hello to you guys. This has been a great weekend, a busy weekend. I've had events, oh my God, starting Friday. And I'm not complaining. I'm so happy. I just love going out and doing stuff and having fun. Um, so, and I also get to play with all my different sides and all my different personalities, because all of my events have been different types of events. It's just been, I have a lot of personalities, in case you guys don't know that. And I like everything. I mean, I love from jeans to, I don't know, black tie, dressing up. I love it all. So let me introduce myself, give you some information about me, tell you how to find me, how to follow me. I am Jacqueline Young. Seasoned Curves is my business. And I am a stylist. I am a certified coach. I am also a seamstress. Um, what I like to do, love to do actually, is help women with body image issues gain self-esteem and confidence. And I do that through fashion, teaching them about their body type and how to style their particular body type. Because I believe that if you are comfortably dressed and comfortable in your skin, there is absolutely nothing on this planet that you cannot conquer and that you cannot do. That is just my thinking, my theory. My website is seasoncurves.com. I can be found on YouTube. I can be found on Instagram people, and Periscope, as well as Facebook. Everything is Seasoned Curves. So I'm going to talk to you today because now, Friday, I got a chance to catch Andre Talle's movie, which was absolutely wonderful. That just kicked off my weekend. And yesterday, I had a black tie event that I went to. Hey, thanks for joining. And hearts, please. I'm going to ask you guys for hearts. I'm going to also ask you guys to please share me out. I'd appreciate you sharing me out. Thank you. And yesterday I went to a black tie event. Oh, it was so hot and humid in New York. I was like, black? Really? But hey, listen, I persevered. I put on that beautiful black dress and I just went on about my business and enjoyed my event. Had a lot of fun. And so if you want to get a glimpse of what I had on yesterday for my black tie event, check out my Season Curves Instagram page. And also, I believe I did, yes I did, I posted it on my Facebook page as well. So go check that out. You know, loved it. It was a great dress, and it worked for the occasion. It really worked for the occasion. And for you women who struggle a little bit with styling for different events and different occasions, and you're not sure what to wear, what to do, head to my website at seasoncurves.com. And I have programs, I have services, I have everything. And if it's not there, email me and we can make it work. Because, you know, as a stylist, I have to be open. As a stylist, I have to be willing to take you from where you are and just open up your world to styles and fashions and things that you probably think you can't wear, but you can. As long as you know your body type and how to dress that body type, listen, you can almost do anything, right? Hello. Again, please share me out. My replay people, share me out as well. And so I want to talk a little bit about what I have on today. This happens to be one of my favorite dresses that I don't get to wear too often. I think I bought it last year or the year before last. Oh my God, guys, I bought this dress at a steal. It was ridiculous, the price of this dress. I mean, I looked at it and I said, I can't leave that there. I have to take it with me because I'm sure, you know, something will come up that I can wear this dress at. And lo and behold, something is happening today. I'm doing a birthday dinner, evening birthday dinner at the Marriott, which should be a lot of fun. I'm hanging out with, you know, my peers, 50, 60s, and 40s year olds, and, you know, that can always be a lot of fun. And so I decided to wear this dress, which is a Ponte knit dress. And I'm going to step back a little bit so you can kind of see how this dress is designed and made. So, I am a pear shape, right? Pear shape meaning I am smaller on the top, larger on the bottom. I do have a waistline. Now, the great thing that I like about this dress is suited for a pear. This dress is suited for hourglass, or what we call today curvy. This dress can even be worn by an apple-bodied woman, depending on how much apple you have going on here. I have a little apple going on here. This dress can also be worn by our straight or rectangular shaped women, because the dip on the side, the princess seams, will give the straight woman, rectangular woman, a shape in her dress. This is why I love this dress. This dress can also be worn by a woman who is upside down triangle, where she carries her weight on the top and she's, you know, slim through the waist and through her hips. So this dress, honestly, can be worn by all body types. One of the reasons why I love this dress. As I said, it is a princess seam dress. What does that mean? Lots of seams, right? What it does is the seams kind of stop here, and then you get little pleats, or little pleats that kind of make it a little fuller on the bottom. And guess what? There are hidden pockets in this dress. Don't you love it? I didn't realize that until today, that there were little hidden pockets here. I'm going to do a spin so you could see just how friendly, how body friendly this dress is. Oh, this dress is so body friendly. I think that's why when I saw it for, like, I'm not lying to you guys, I think this dress is like $18 or $20 or something ridiculous. I think that's why when I saw the dress and I saw the price of the dress, I said, you have to come with me. So let me do a spin, and then I'm going to grab up my little bags. Of course, I'm going to carry my shoes with me because, you know, they're kind of high. So we need to walk in flats for a little bit. And when I get where I'm going, I'll just throw my little heels on. So I'm going to do a spin so that you can see the whole dress and just see how it kind of drapes and fits the body. See? I mean, what a great dress, right? And if it's a little breezy outside, the wind will kind of pick it up. Oh, I love this dress. So, anyway, this is my spiel. I'm gonna go running. Oh, and what I decided to do is here's the thing. I was trying out jewelry. I just want to share this. And I would pick up the red or the pink in the jewelry, and it just was not working. It was driving me nuts. And so I said, you know what? Try going with muted or something in the beige family in that tone and see how that works. And this is why I threw on real simple kind of taupe beige jewelry, which as you see kind of blends in but also picks up the dress. The great thing about that too is my shoes are along this color. So I'm one of those people too. I will take the jewelry to match the shoes to bring everything together. So my shoes are about the color of this jewelry. Right? So just need to share that with you guys. I want you guys to have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for sharing me out. I appreciate it. My replay people, thank you for coming in and viewing this later. Have a wonderful day, guys. All right? Bye-bye.